कॉलेज के फाइनल ईयर तक भी मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट कोई स्किल नहीं सीख पाते और फिर कंपनी भी उन्हें शॉर्टलिस्ट नहीं करती, और जो जॉब में होते हैं वो स्किल्स ना होने की वजह से जॉब स्विच नहीं कर पाते। और अगर आप भी इस सिचुएशन में हैं तो दिस इज द वीडियो फॉर यू। आई विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट 11 AI courses that will make you relevant for the job market of 2026. Hi everyone, if you are new to the channel, my name is Kushal Vijay. I work as a software engineer for Microsoft and I share educational content here. In this particular video, we'll be talking about AI courses from big tech companies as well as big universities that you should be doing in order to make yourself relevant with the market. If you go on the internet and make a simple Google search, you will find that more than 1 lakh AI jobs are currently present in the market. And that is not in the future, but currently in the market. And the best part is all these jobs require almost the same set of skills. I'll give you some example. My friend Ria, who was into HR, learned prompt engineering, these AI tools, and was never from a coding background, but able to switch to a prompt engineering and AI automation job. And she started with similar courses only, and now she's working at a very good startup, 15 plus LP, and a Bangalore-based startup. One of my another friend Arjun, who was a mechanical engineer, he learned generative AI online, and 6 months later, after doing some projects and learning online about generative AI, he was able to crack a AI product manager job, which is insane. And without any further ado, let me tell you how you need to pursue these courses. If you're a beginner, which course you need to take. If you are looking for a job, what courses you need to take. If you are from non-tech, which one you have to pursue. So first of all, let's get to the computer screen. The first one is AI for Everyone by Andrew Ng. If you know nothing about AI, start from this particular course. Andrew Ng is known as the godfather of online education in AI. And this explains AI without making your brain hurt. Perfect for beginner who are beginner in AI and career changes, looking for career change. Google AI Essential is the second one, straight from Google. Learn what engineers at Google do, what kind of tools they use, how they write prompts, and this is what hiring managers at big tech companies look in candidates. Third is Generative AI for Everyone. Another Andrew Ng course only. It's a banger course, especially about ChatGPT style AI. If you want to understand what everyone is talking about, then this is it if you want to be in the trend today. Introduction to Generative AI Learning Path. This is actually a series of short courses, perfect if you have 30 minutes daily, bite-sized, and it will not overwhelm you. Fifth one is Prompt Engineering with ChatGPT. Now everyone uses ChatGPT for anything and everything that you do. If you are a student or a professional, almost nobody uses it properly because you are not writing the prompts rightly or you're not actually giving the right instructions. This code teaches you to get 10x better outputs, instant ROI. Now sixth is IBM's course on Generative AI Engineering Foundation. It's a foundation course. It's more structured than the Google one, and you'll learn everything step by step. Then Microsoft AI Fundamentals, very popular course if you want to get started with AI. Microsoft is actually betting billions on AI, and you'll learn framework, and the bonus part is Microsoft certifications look incredible on LinkedIn. And the bonus part is Microsoft certifications look incredible on LinkedIn. They give you a lot of edge. So all these courses which I just talked about, these 7 courses were all for beginner audience who want to get started in AI. And now comes intermediate to advanced courses. First is Generative AI with large language model. This is where you learn how these AI models actually work. Not just using them, but understanding the under the hood working of these models. Game changer if you are looking for a technical role. IBM RAG and Agentic AI RAG course, Retrieval Augmented Generation is the full form of RAG. And this skill is super in demand right now. It sounds complex, but if you start learning, you will enjoy learning it. It actually caters the under the hood working of every LLM today in the market. Then comes Microsoft AI Product Manager. If you are from a non-tech background, if you are even from a product background, this course will help you land better opportunities in 2026. It's a professional certificate for non-technical but strategic candidates. Learn to manage AI projects, perfect for MBAs, project managers, business folks, and who wants to pivot. Now the last one is Microsoft AI and ML engineering course. It's very much technical. You will code, you will build models, and if you want to be an AI engineer, this is the right course for you. Now these are too many courses, and this is the hack that you should be following in order to make the best out of it. Take 2-3 courses. Now Coursera provide you 7-day trial policy. You can try out these courses for 7 days, and whichever you enjoy, you continue that course, and at the end take that certification only. You don't have to take tens of certifications. If you're a beginner, I've already told the list of beginner courses. If you're intermediate or advanced, want to make yourself more relevant to the market. If you're already experienced, then go for the intermediate or advanced. Try 2-3 courses and only pay for one certificate which you think is the most suitable for your next job. But if you're serious and want all these certifications, then Coursera has brought up an amazing offer for you. Coursera Plus annual subscription is at $7,999 today. Save 40% on courses from industry leaders and big tech companies this holiday season. The holiday season is here and there are massive discounts on Coursera. Get holiday savings and learn from experts at Google, Adobe, Microsoft and many more, all at $799 per year. Limited time offer. You'll find the link in the description about these courses, whichever you want to pursue. Make sure you do the 7-day trial to understand what's happening, if you're able to grasp thing or not. If you'll start with the advanced one and you might not understand everything, you have to jump back to intermediate. That's the reason I am suggesting that strategy. Now, if you want the job fast, make sure you do the Google AI Essentials, Prompt Engineering and one Microsoft course. Apply that combo to job description and you will match 70% of the current jobs in the market, entry-level jobs. If you're technical and want big money, if you already have experience, then you should be going for generative AI with LLMs, IBM RAG and any deep learning course on the internet. On Coursera, you'll find so many deep learning courses also. And this combo will get you interviews very quickly because companies want this and there is a very less supply for the same. If you're a non-technical candidate, then AI for Product Manager, AI for Everyone and Google AI Essential is the right fit for you. You will speak AI fluently without even coding. And that's all from this video. Start the first course today itself. All the links are mentioned in the description. Make sure you start your first course today itself and do share it on the internet so that people will know. And do tag me that you have learned something out of this video. I will definitely comment and share your learnings. It will reach bigger audience and you will gain more attention. And do share your learnings throughout the course so that you will get relevant. You will get those eyes right from recruiters and hiring managers. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Make sure to use Coursera Plus subscription on a discount. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.